A quick update on Arcblock here. So we're going to get a different look at Arcblock today from the regular chart because really nothing has changed on Arcblock. If you watch the last update, you can still get a sense of what's going on with it. Now, what I did here is I went last night and I was looking around and I looked on CoinMarketCap, Live Coin Watch, CoinGecko, and they all agree that 469 is the all-time high for Arcblock here. Now, I could not find a real chart for that. We're still here on the regular Gate.io chart. What I did here, this is not a real candle right here. This one is down here, but I just drew a red line straight up, and I just drew the fib going from that 469 level to the low here. And what I want to point out here is the fact that that is the reason the price got stuck where it got stuck. It came right up to that previous high from all the way back here in 2018, and that's why it got stuck here at that level. And then now it's pulling back, as you can see, to the 786. So the other chart we were looking at, of course, is the 195 level. And I just wanted to make an update here on Arcblock and point out a little bit of a different scenario. You can see how once this large candle here got over that 786, it held it as support, and then it moved on up to that high, and now it is coming back down to back test that high, or back test the 786 rather, at about 180, 179 here to be exact, currently at 252. So this may be a little more accurate, even though it's not really a real chart, but it is going by the previous all-time high. And also, if you notice back here, you can see how it is respecting these levels here. It was stuck at the 382 forever, and then right down below, every weekly candle here was getting stuck below the 236, and then when it finally bottomed out here on a higher low, that's when it took off here. So what are your thoughts on this new chart on Arcblock? Should I go back to the regular one, or do you think this one, even though a lot of people probably aren't looking at this one tends to make more sense? So coming down from where we are right now, instead of focusing on the 195 price area, we may in fact come down to this 179 to 180 level, and still from this red candle and the drop that's already in play, drop another 29% before you end up back testing this and consolidating here above 180, or getting a nice bounce back up to that previous high at 469. And with that being all said, going from the price today here on the weekly chart, we do have two levels here that we're watching on the other chart. I did have to change the prices, changed of course, but I also changed the market caps here. Now, if we get a bounce off of that 786 and we do end up making a new high over that 469 level, that takes us up to this 1272 at 1594, almost $16. That would give Arcblock a $1.5 billion market cap, about a 6.5x from today on your investment. And of course, which it does appear to be coming down to that level here, that would give you almost a 9x on your investment here to that $1.5 billion market cap. And then to be extremely bullish on Arcblock, going from this 786 support here at 180, a $7.4 billion market cap, up to the 1618 at 7560, and a little over a 42x here on Arcblock. And of course, from today, if we catch some kind of support and we move right back up, then you're looking at about a 30x on your investment. So what do you guys think about this chart here going off of that previous high? Like I said, if I just simply grab this right here, you can see that's just a little line that I drew off of this candle. I drew two lines actually. So what are your thoughts on that? Do you think we should go back to the old chart? Do you think this one paints a better picture, even though it's not technically accurate? And if anybody knows where the regular old chart is anywhere out there that does go back to that 469 high, please comment down below and let me know. I would really love to have that chart because I can't seem to find it. So with that being said, what are your thoughts on Arcblock? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.